How to add pages to your project. If you're in your dashboard, click on your project, which is your domain name, and it'll go to this main dashboard for your project, in this case privatecottage.com. On the main dashboard there is a page here called a tab called Add Pages. Simply click on the Add Pages. Now there are two different ways in which you can bring information in. Firstly, you can cut and paste a set of URLs here. If you need to expand the box, you can do so. Alternatively, the system will have a look at the next most important pages to bring in. In this case, it's a very small website, so it's only brought in 5, but there may be a list of up to 50 URLs that you can bring in, and you can either bring them in with a click of a button, or you can bring in the whole data set if you like. Once you've done so, simply go back to the pages, and you will find that it takes a while for the system to refresh. On the top right hand side, you'll see the dial saying some pages are under analysis, and if you refresh a page, you'll see that they're coming in. So now these 2 pages have come in. So please bear that in mind. You can carry on working whilst you are bringing in pages, but of course it takes a while for the content to get crawled, analyzed, and for the data to then be added to the project and to the knowledge graph.